How to transfer Robux, Roblox Plus. Want to send Robux directly? With Roblox Plus, here's how to transfer safely. So log into your Roblox account and then click on the gear icon at the top right and then select settings. So once you're on the settings section, go ahead and head over into the subscriptions tab. And then from here, go ahead and find the Robux transfer option here. Click the Robux transfer, enter the username of the recipient and the amount you want to send. Confirm the transfer. Robux is sent instantly. Marketplace fees, no delays. Roblox Plus gives you direct transfers, discounts on items, unlimited private servers, and creator tools. Roblox Plus makes sending Robux simple and secure. No third party sites, no scams, just official Roblox.